I'm doing a video. There's my F250 in my 82 F100 and 95 F250. It's raining. It was rain and snow mix, but it's just raining now. There's my F350 and my other F150 four-wheel drive. But my F258 ran in 5 days, maybe 6 days, but about to start it up, do a cold start. Yep. Flow plugs. Start right up. It's got a squeaky pulley. But she's running. Now I'm going to start the 82. That ain't ran in a week. But I can't let this run long because I don't have no water in it. So this got a bed of heads on it. But it runs. Carbureted, so it'll take a second. But she run. Those are my flaming gauges. It's cold. Floor speed on the floor. The other column got messed up, so I took this column and put in it. It came out of an automatic, but it works. There you go, it's running now, idling. Both of them are running. It's gonna stall. That's because it's cold. It'll warm up for a minute, it'll stay running, but I don't want to run it too long because I don't got no water in it. Oh. So this is parked for the winter. Well, that's it with the video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notifications bell. I just wanted to share that. Thank you. Bye-bye.